Today, we're entering the most exclusive factory on the planet. Welcome to Goodwood, England, the true home of Rolls-Royce. Only 5,000 to 6,000 cars are born here every year. But every single one is a rolling work of art. This is Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Limited, fully owned by BMW since 1998. Back then, Rolls-Royce and Bentley were the same company. Then BMW bought the Rolls-Royce name and trademark. Volkswagen got Bentley. That's why every real Rolls comes from this exact place. 42 acres of pure luxury hidden in the English countryside. The factory moved here from Crewe in 2003, designed by world-famous architect Lord Norman Foster. The roof is covered in living grass and trees, invisible from above. Just one small sign, Home of Rolls-Royce. Step inside. Total silence, no loud machines, only the sound of human hands. 2,500 artisans work here, never called employees. The journey begins with the aluminum Spaceframe. This is the architecture of luxury, Rolls-Royce's own platform. Phantom, Ghost, Cullinan, Spectre, all share this DNA. Laser-cut high-strength aluminum sheets, robots weld. But only 10% of the job, the rest. 100% human skill, strong enough for the Cullinan to conquer off-road trails. Body panels, every one shaped by hand, using the 100-year-old English wheel technique. One craftsman, 8 hours, one perfect panel. Paint shop to 23 separate stages, up to 100 pounds of paint per car. 7 layers of clear coat, hand-sanded between each. Cleaner air than a hospital operating room. Leather department, only bull hides allowed. Raised in high European mountains, no bug bites, no scars. 16 to 18 hides per car. One woman can stitch an entire interior in 20 days. Thread is still traditional waxed linen, with up to 43 exotic veneers to choose from. Every piece book match for perfect symmetry. 21 layers of lacquer, then 12 hours of hand polishing, the legendary Starlight Headliner. 1,340 fiber optic lights, every hole drilled by hand. One artisan. 18 hours, one perfect night sky. Want your own constellation? They'll make it. There's no moving assembly line here. The car glides silently from station to station. One artisan, one task, zero rush. The heart, 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12, 563 horsepower, smoother than any engine on Earth, but by 2030 every Rolls will be fully electric. The Spectre is already here, minus 577 horsepower, instant torque, zero sound. Iconic coach doors, still rear-hinged, close them with a button, pure theater. Every Rolls still hides a $20,000 umbrella in the door. Bespoke department, where money means nothing. Gold-plated 3D printed trim, done. Paint mixed with crushed diamonds, done. One client had a Picasso painting recreated inside. Another wanted a built-in champagne fridge and crystal glasses. Every new model is tortured for 60,000 miles. Monsoons, deserts, Arctic ice, nothing is skipped. Final inspection, white gloves only. One fingerprint equals instant reject. Delivery is white glove, first class, anywhere in the world. Now let's talk 2026. Ghost series to facelift, illuminated Pantheon grille, digger screens, new materials, same V12, Cullinan Series II. Darker, meaner black badge options. Spectre gets a range bump, around 330 miles. Secret electric Cullinan-based pickup, in the works. 750 horsepower, for $125,000, still unconfirmed, history time. 1904. Charles Rolls meets Henry Rouse, 1906. The unbeatable Silver Ghost is born. World War II. Rolls-Royce builds the Merlin engine that won the skies. 1971. The company goes bankrupt. 1980. Vickers rescues the brand. 1998. BMW takes full control. Today the brand is worth over $15 billion. Torsten Muller GTVS led it to record sales until 2023. Chris Brownridge is the new CEO. A new coach-building hall for $30 million cars. Drop tail, $30 million, only for ever made. Boat tail, $28 million, only 3 exist. This isn't a factory. It's a temple of luxury, where silence is sacred, and perfection is the only option. Every car is signed by the team that built it. Some owners never drive them. They're museum pieces, average build time, 6 months or more. The most expensive new Rolls ever sold, over $30 million, and every single one starts right here, in this quiet corner of England. Thank you for joining us inside the home of Rolls-Royce. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the next ultra-luxury factory tour is coming soon. This is how the 0% to 1% travel.